Hi everyone, how you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen from Team Debru, and today's video we are going to talk about Greencash Media Affiliate Network review. Before we dive into today's video, if you're interested in joining our affiliate marketing community, you can do so by joining the AFK forum powered by Team Debru for free by clicking the link in the description of this video. So what are you waiting for? Join us today. So today we are going to talk about the Greencash Media. It's a fairly very small affiliate network compared to all the big players in the market such as Max Bounty, AdVidi. This Greencash Media is actually a very small and young affiliate network. They was only established in the year 2015. That means they are not even less than 5 years in the affiliate industry market. They are still very young, they are still very small, but they are very good in what they do, and I'll explain further what they do. But before that, let's go ahead and check out the website of the Greencash Media and what they have to say about themselves as well. So welcome to Greencash Media. Our highest priority is to performance-based CPA network. Our highest priority is to help publisher and advertiser to get best results. So as you can see, it's very straightforward. There's nothing big over here. The Greencash Media started in the year 2015, just like I told you, has quickly become the fastest growing affiliate network in the industry. Here to provide you responsive support for any promotional question that you may have, and this is one of the highlights that they have, guys. They are very good in their customer service. They have a very good support team, and they can actually get to you very fast. And over here they said how many percent of growth they had. Team of expert, we have a team of expert responsive manager available 24/7 to help you. This is what I meant. They're very good with their support, real-time reporting, so you can be sure that you have the best and accurate real-time. So affiliates, you'll make more money. Accurate real-time reporting, timely payouts. We have monthly multiple payment options of weekly, bi-weekly, net 7, net 15, net 30, starting with net 30 payment term. This is not very normal, guys. So they start with a monthly payment term, and then once you have actually beat their cap of weekly cap or maybe bi-weekly cap, then they can actually release your payment bi-weekly, weekly, whatever cap that you actually bid. This actually works with most of the networks. Most of the networks all same. When you start to prove results to them, and then they can actually give you payment weekly, no problem at all. So over here, exclusive offer selection, ask for support, become an affiliate, become an advertiser, zero tolerance to fraud, quality, traffic monitoring, dedicated support. As you can see over here, they emphasize a lot on their support, because it's true, guys, they have a very good support team. Let's go ahead and let's see what else they have over here. And as you can see over here, they are actually based in Thane, India. So they are an affiliate network from India. So it's very rare to see an affiliate network from India. There's not many affiliate networks which comes from India. So this is one of the best networks in India. And as you can see, support, they have a support email in here, and as you can see, they have a Skype detail in their website itself. This is very unique for a website. I think the one that I saw which have their Skype detail in their website itself on the affiliate manager would be Big Bang Ads. Other than Big Bang Ads, I did not see any affiliate network which has their affiliate managers detail, Skype detail in the homepage of that particular website itself. But this Arvind Sharma name, you can actually see his name, very famous affiliate manager when it comes to Greencash Media. So that is the thing regarding over here. Let's go ahead and check out the dashboard of the Greencash Media. So this is basically the dashboard of the Greencash Media. Basically nothing special, guys. It looks like a very old dashboard, and over here, but it's not an old dashboard, because even the Greencash Media is a very young company, but then it looks like a very old dashboard. Nothing so attractive over here. Dashboard, performance report, conversion. They have referral as well. They have referral, refer new affiliate and receive commission. Your referral link, what they did not say how much. They did not actually emphasize on how much referral commission you will get. They just said that you can actually refer and you get commission. Maybe it's over here, nothing is over here. Account details, let's go to the billing and see what kind of payment method they have over here. Let's go and check the payment method. So they have direct deposit, others PayPal and wire transfer. Not much payment method that they have. And as you can see over here, invoice frequently monthly. Until you beat the cap, it would be monthly as well. So Arvind Sharma, like I told you, he is the CEO of the Greencash Media, and he is also the affiliate manager of the Greencash Media. Since it's a very small network, I think he and his very small team, they have to manage all this. So I think they have this guy Arvind Sharma, which is the CEO and the affiliate manager, and then they do have a support team as well. Since it's a very small community, I think it's very easy to manage a very small community. When it grows bigger, then you need a bigger team. So over here, let's go to the offer section, and this is what I meant when I say they are. Just now, previously earlier in the video, I told you that the Greencash Media is a small network, but they are very good in something that they do, and that something that they do is actually over here. They are very famous in the category of loan and financing, guys. They're very famous. Their offers actually are very good when it comes to loan and financing. As you can see over here, let me just go over here. This loan and finance over here is giving you $24 CPA. This one is $100 CPA, business opportunities. So everything, as you can see, only this much offers they have. So how many offers? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 offers. Only very less offer, guys, but then they have very good offers over here. As you can see, most of it are finance, business. It's only finance and business, guys, not most of it. So these are the vertical they are good at, so they only do what they are good at. As you can see over here, this particular offer over here, as you can see, loan financing, 80% cost per sale, which means that your commission is actually 80% cost per sale of the total amount of this particular campaign. This is also 80%, 75%. This is also 75%. So they give you percentage revenue share of the cost per sale as well as cost per action for each sale. So this is what they're good at. They're good at financing. So the Greencash Media is a very small network, but very good when it comes to the finance, loan, finance, business opportunity vertical. So if you're interested in this particular verticals, the Greencash Media is definitely one of the networks that you should definitely go ahead and check out. So I think I've covered most of the things regarding the Greencash Media. So we have reached to the end of today's video. I hope you liked today's video, and I hope today's video was beneficial for you. If you have any question regarding today's video, do not hesitate to drop us a comment below, just below this video, and we will get to that particular comment ASAP. If you're interested, you can also join our fastest growing affiliate marketing community by joining the AFK forum powered by Team Debrew for free by clicking the link in the description of this video. Thanks again for watching.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.